Hello, thanks for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my design team projects that I taught in Orlando, Florida in June of 2022. And this is using By The Seaside paper. And there were 3 different projects that were taught at this retreat. And I'm going to walk you through the one that I made. So I'm going to start real quick with this little box. I wanted to have a look kind of like it was a little beach bag of some sort or a tote. And so using graphic 45 tags and some flowers and ribbon and burlap, we made this really cute box. It's got a little handle on the top. It's got graphics on both sides. But the purpose of this was just kind of like a little takeaway that people could work on if they got done with their other projects or work on it when they got home. And it's just a little box like for storage. And so when you open it up, I did not decorate the inside, but if there's plenty of paper left over, you could definitely decorate the inside. But I thought it was a good little storage box for ephemera. It would be good for cards and things like that. So that was just kind of the little extra project for mine. The main project was this album. And again, By the Seaside is the name of the collection. It is from Country Craft Creations. It is available. I don't remember, how big is this book? It is 6 by 7 and it has a 3-inch spine. But I have some flowers across the top here. There are real shells in the corners. There's a charm shell right here. I did do some fussy cutting of the birds because those weren't on there. There is also sand on here, so it gave it some texture and it raised it a little bit. Spine, and then the back page. So there are 2 different page styles in here. So the front and back cover both just have a pocket, and with the cutouts, just matted those. But one of the page styles has a pocket for a tag, and on this tag there were charms provided. And so this one had a little starfish, and on the back it's just plain. But that gets tucked behind the first pocket, and then there's a second pocket that you can actually put a picture, and that's what this one represents. So I'm looking for paper here, just a little scrap. And so you could put a picture like so. Okay, so I'm calling that a double picture pocket, I guess. Little piece of ephemera down here with a flower, and then this does lift up, and you have plenty of space up here for a picture. This says live by currents, plan by tides, follow the sun. And then down here there's just the 4 photo angled corners, so you can tuck things underneath or put a larger picture and tuck it underneath. All of these are open. Did I leave it open on the top or the yeah, they're open at the top, but we didn't put anything in there. That could just be for extra pictures if need be. Oh, looks like I lost my ribbon here. I'll fix that later. But there are 3 tags. We punched holes. We did have ribbon. I lost mine in the process of bringing it back home. But these flip out. I thought this one would be good for journaling. And then this is your 3rd one. And then there's a pocket here where I just added some flags and again matted the cut apart. There is another page just like that using different paper from the collection. So then there's 2 of this style. I did some fussy cutting. This belly band is what keeps this closed. So if you slide this over, it will open. And then I wanted it to kind of represent like sails of a boat, and so that's why I made them triangular. So this is open so you can tuck. This is plenty of space for a picture, and then down below it's open at the bottom so you can tuck. Now to get this to close, you can see that there is a piece of paper here that you can connect here. Sometimes you have to wiggle it a little bit, but it should go on pretty nicely. And then on the other side, this is a belly band, so you can put something behind here. Okay, so you can tuck pictures behind there. Using seam binding, this closes the waterfall, and this waterfall goes both to the top and to the bottom. So the first page flips up, and then this one comes down. And then this one is going to go up, and then this one goes down. Okay, and again, it's a tie closure with seam binding. And I'm going to go ahead and tie it just so it doesn't flap around when I'm turning the page. Okay, and then once again we have then page style 1. So the tag, this one had a shell charm. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can see that little shell. And that gets tucked in the back. You can put a picture inside here. You lift it up, and you've got 2 larger spaces. Here are the tags on the back. These do actually have the ribbon on it, so I didn't lose those. And the third tag. All right. Oh, this one already was undone. So this you would open. Here's your triangular flaps. And again, you just slide this, and it should grab hold. Oh, it looks like this one. There we go. Well, sassafras. Let me get that on there first. There we go. Okay. There's our back pocket. Little piece of ephemera with the flower and that jute or that twine. And then this again is a belly band, and it's a waterfall. Up and down, up and down. All right, so that's what I taught on the first day of the Florida retreat. So the tutorials are not available for this project. This is for the people who attended the retreat. But if you have not attended a retreat, you might want to really consider. You get a lot of friendships, you get a lot of products and ideas, and you walk away with some beautiful things. And if you cannot attend a retreat, they do have virtual retreats also. As a matter of fact, there's one coming up. It's already sold out, but it's the general store, and that's for July. But there will be other virtual retreats. So do check the website. But I think that you would love all of the projects, and you would also love the in-person ones where you can meet lots of new crafters and have lots of fun. So thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I will see you soon with some more tutorials.